All right, Sparkle Farts. Ace.
The helpful hardware place.
Ace, they have a bunch of Milwaukee stuff. We're gonna run over there for a minute and see what's up. We were there once, and the people were very, very nice in there. Like, you don't expect it to be there. You would never go over there and look for it. It's close to where we typically go in Jackson, but it's
North Highland Avenue.
that's a part that we never see. The building's pretty cool. What do you think's going in? A bank?
Or a church.
I don't know if they'd zone it down here. I'll bet it's going to be some cool little, it's going to be like a juice place or a coffee shop or something. All of these buildings right here, guys, this is like downtown. Right over there's Court Square for Jackson. Some historic hotels and stuff, but all this here, that whole city block over there is empty. The entire block here is empty. Ace Hardware. Milwaukee has a badass tape measure. It's got a light on it. It's got a magnet. You can push the button and it just retracts slowly. It's got a cool wire pocket clip that I'll never use, and if I do, I'll catch it on something and bend it out and it'll never be the same. I know they had some Milwaukee stuff here before. Quite a bit of it, actually.
Like these with the red knobs.
Okay, listen. Do you remember the blue refrigerator you had? You had to peel the plastic off of it, and it wasn't really blue. Man, you could just come get all my Christmas stuff here. That's the one we typically buy, and we're always missing pieces of it. Always. $40, $26. What do you need that for?
So I can drink out of a mason jar without it hitting my teeth.
You have like 400 things to drink out of. Okay, if I buy this lid for your mason jar, I get to get rid of all that other bullshit.
I don't know what you're talking about.
All the corksicle and the dickle and all the silly. All right, Sparkle Farts. It's a tornado.
Get out of the way.
Are you excited? I bought a bunch of new tools that we're not ever going to use.
Yes, I'm very excited.
We're going to put them in bags for pictures, and they're going to be there if we ever need them after everybody's lost all the other tools.
That's all that matters.
Anything you want, dear.
I know.
Say it.
Anything you want, dear.
That's right. In 2016 they were going to do something with it, nothing happened, and then a year or two ago somebody else took it over as a project, somebody who used to run a planning committee or something. So the property's 20 acres, but I think it includes this over here. Now something's back here too, I'm not sure what this is, we'll go look. Looks like it's probably a pond. Yeah, the glass is all busted out over here. I wonder what this is up here, just a field or is it a pond? Oh yeah, there's a big field with a scoreboard back here. Yeah, there's the rest of your acres right there. If it goes way back over here, it's a big, huge field. What do you think it is? Pizza? Shaved ice?
I don't think it's gonna be pizza.
Bloodmobile.
Yeah.
Yo, babe.
Yo, babe.
Bring your pantry hamster and let's go. Ah, he's got good taste. X-Mark mower. Hana sushi.